Friends, do you know what the very first school in the world looked like? How children studied there, what they learned, and even how they spent their time? Today, I'm going to share with you 10 amazing facts about the world's first school that will completely surprise you. But first, make sure you like this video and tell me in the comments, if you had studied in that first school thousands of years ago, would it be fun or boring? Let's begin. 10 facts about the first school. Fact 1. About 4,000 years ago, in ancient Mesopotamia, today's Iraq, the world's very first school was created. These schools were called Edaba, which means tablet house because students learned by writing on clay tablets. Fact 2. Instead of using paper and pencils, children wrote on wet clay tablets with wooden pens. After writing, the tablets were dried in the sun, so the lessons could be kept forever. Fact 3. The first schools didn't only teach reading and writing. Students also studied mathematics, law, and religious stories. Fact 4. Only boys from rich and powerful families were allowed to study in the first schools. Unfortunately, girls were not given permission to attend. Fact 5. School days were very long. Children studied from morning until evening with very few breaks. Fact 6. Teachers in these schools were called Amir. They were very strict and sometimes even punished students if they gave wrong answers. Fact 7. Apart from language and math, children were also taught farming and trade because these were the most important jobs in ancient times. Fact 8. The classroom environment was very different. There were no chairs or desks. Students sat on the ground while studying. Fact 9. To memorize their lessons, children often sang songs and recited poems. This means the habit of learning by rote actually started thousands of years ago. Fact 10. The first schools became so popular that later, civilizations in Egypt, Greece, and India built their own schools inspired by them. This is how the roots of today's modern education system began. So friends, these were 10 amazing facts about the world's first school. Next time you go to your school, remember how lucky you are compared to those children who studied thousands of years ago without books, notebooks, or even proper holidays. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and tell me in the comments, what's your favorite thing about your own school?